Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm back with another easy tutorial on how to log out of your Quotex account. If you're looking for a way to log out of your Quotex.com account, then here's how you can easily do it. First, make sure that you're inside the main homepage of Quotex, which looks like this. Now, from the main homepage, go ahead and click on this drop down that says Live Account at the top right. Soon after you click on the drop down, you'll be able to see the log out button popping up right in the box. Click on log out and then you'll be redirected to the login interface, which means you have successfully logged out or signed out of your Quotex account. So that is how you can easily log out of Quotex with a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye. Till then.